Today, we're going to be doing a lesson on subtracting with regrouping in the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's start with this problem. 5,146 minus 2,598. Okay, let's start with the ones column. We have 6 ones, and we want to take away 8 ones. Well, we don't seem to have enough. So we're going to borrow from the tens column. We're going to regroup 110 in exchange for 10 ones. So as you can see, we traded in that 110 for 10 ones. Let's change that in the number. We now have 16 ones, but only 3 tens. Now, if you take away 8 ones, you are left with 8. Now let's move to the tens column. I have 3 tens minus 9 tens. Again, I don't seem to have enough. This time, I'll go to the hundreds and trade in a hundreds block for 10 tens. And now you can see how many tens I have. I have 13 tens blocks, so I'm going to change it to 13, but I no longer have any hundreds blocks. So I'm going to change that 1 to a 0. Now I can subtract 13 minus 9. So I'm going to take away 9. Which leaves me with 4. Now for step 3 to subtract the hundreds, except that there don't seem to be any hundreds. So I'll have to take from the thousands place. I'll trade in 1,000 for 10 hundreds. So now I have 10 hundreds and only 4 thousands. Now I can subtract 10 hundreds minus 5 hundreds, which leaves me 5 hundreds. And for the last step, we need to subtract the thousands. 4,000 minus 2,000 leaves us with 2,000, which makes our answer 2,548. Okay, let's try one more. This time it's 6,324 minus 2,675. Let's start in the ones column. You'll notice that once again, there are not enough ones. 4 ones minus 5 ones. I can't do that. So I'll need to borrow from the tens. There are 2 tens. I'm going to trade in 1 10, which leaves me 1, and put it with the 4 ones, giving me 14 ones. 14 ones minus 5 ones is 9 ones. Now let's look at the tens column. The tens column has 1 10 minus 7 tens. I can't do that, so I'll have to borrow from the hundreds. The hundreds has 3 hundreds. I'll take one of those, leaving there 2, and the 110 will become 11 tens. 11 tens minus 7 tens gives me 4 tens. And again with the hundreds column, 2 hundreds minus 6 I can't do, so we borrow from the thousands, changing the 6,000 to 5,000, and one of the thousands becomes 10 hundreds. So we have 12 hundreds minus 6 hundreds is 6 hundreds, and then 5,000 minus 2,000 is 3,000, giving us the answer 3,649. Thank you for watching. And now I hope you have a little bit of a better understanding of how we do subtraction with regrouping in the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands.